Hi friends, myself Tapasya. Welcome to our YouTube channel Online Infopedia. Let's discuss about top 11 current affairs topics, one-liners from 31st Jan to 6th Feb, first week February current affairs. Topics I will be covering are important dates to be focused, defense, international, national, state, sports, environment, economics, person in news, science and technology, and general knowledge, which is very important for all type of competitive exams. Friends, if you like the video, do subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification for more updates related to current affairs, general knowledge, interview tips and tricks. Feel free to write your queries in the comment section and I will be happy to help you. Let's move on to the first topic of first week of February, important days to be focused. World Leprosy Eradication Day is last Sunday of January, 31st January 2021. Theme for World Wetlands Day 2021 is Wetlands and Water, celebrated on 2nd February. International Day of Human Fraternity is celebrated on 4th February. Theme of World Cancer Day 2021 is I Am and I Will, is celebrated on 4th February. Next is defense updates. New Vice Chief of the Army Staff after 1st February 2021 is Lieutenant General Chandi Prasad Mohanty. Defense allocation in the Union Budget for the financial year 2021 and 2022 is Rs 4.78 lakh. The 16th edition of Indo-US Joint Military Exercise, which will be held in Rajasthan between 8th and 21st February 2021, is Yudh Abhyas. New Director General Inspection and Safety at Air Headquarters, New Delhi, is Air Marshal G.S. Bedi. New Air Officer in Charge Administration AOA is Air Marshal Vijay Pal Singh Rana. Next is our economy updates. Dash has set up an innovative sandbox web portal where fintech firms and individuals may use the environment for offline testing of their application. In a test environment is BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange. Only country among emerging markets that received equity inflows from foreign portfolio investor in 2020, as the country attracted USD 30 billion in the first 9 months of the year according to the economic survey, is India. Non-food credit growth of banks stood at Dash in December 2020 as compared to 7% in the same month of the previous year. RBI data showed is 5.9%. India's first exchange that completed deliveries of gold mini contracts under Dash is BIS, India Good Delivery Standards. On its commodity derivatives platform is BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange. According to Union Budget 2021 and 22, the fiscal deficit for the financial year 2021 and 22 pegged at 6.8%. On 30th January 2021, Indian Bank extended its MSME Prerna, a business mentoring program for MSME entrepreneurs in Uttar Pradesh. On 29 January 2021, the Reserve Bank of India has cancelled the license of Maharashtra-based Shivam Sahkari Bank. The government increased the foreign direct investment limit from 49 to 74% in insurance companies and allowed foreign ownership and control with safeguards. It has been proposed to infuse Dash to recapitalize public sector bank is 20,000 crore rupees. To create an ecosystem which promotes innovation on the securities market, Dash and Securities and Exchange Board of India have announced the launch of Innovation Sandbox web portal is BSE, formerly Bombay Stock Exchange. Bank credit grew Dash to Rs 106.41 lakh crore, while deposit increased by 11.41% to Rs 146.25 lakh crore in the fortnight ended 15 January 2021 is RBI data showed 6.36%. The Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs has given in principle approval to privatize Dash, which is corporate entity of Visakhapatnam Steel Plant, comes under Ministry of Steel, Rashtriya Ispat Nigam Limited. This institution has allowed the MF industry to set up limited purpose clearing corporation based on recommendation of a working group set up by the Mutual Fund Advisory Committee, Securities and Exchange Board of India (SEBI). According to the Reserve Bank of India, projection of gross domestic product growth in the financial year 2021-22 is 10.5%. Repo rate is 4%. Reverse repo rate is 3.3%. The Reserve Bank of India on 5th February announced it will be integrating consumer grievances redressal under a single ombudsman as against present 3 schemes devoted to consumer grievance redressal in banking, non-banking finance companies and digital transactions. First Asian country which will allow small investor to directly buy government debt and to directly invest in government bond is India. RBI Government Shaktikanta Das during the Monetary Policy Committee meet announcement on 5th February said that an expert committee will be formed for Dash will provide a medium-term roadmap to strengthen the sector's urban cooperative banks. For incremental lending, the Reserve Bank has proposed to allow the non-bank finance company sector to avail the benefit of its TLTRO on TAP scheme. This bank signed a MOU with Japan's MUFG Bank for collaboration towards catering to the banking requirements of Japanese corporates present in India is ICICI Bank. Next is environment updates. India has nearly 4.6% of its land as wetland, covering an area of 15.26 million hectares, and has dash sites designated as wetlands of international importance, Ramsar sites, with a surface area of 1.08 million hectares is 42 sites. Next is international updates. India's satellite Jal Vidyut Nigam will develop the 679 megawatt Lower Arun hydropower project in Dash under the build, own, operate and transfer boot delivery method is Nepal. On the issue over the United Kingdom's new visa scheme to provide Hong Kongers a new route to UK citizenship, Dash stopped recognizing British national overseas passport as travel and identification document from 31st January 2021 is China. The Dash has committed $12 billion to African countries to support vaccination program across a continent is World Bank. The Hyundai Motor Group and Urban Airport will develop world's first eVTOL hub port for air cars like cargo, drones and air taxis in Dash, the United Kingdom. The Asian India Hackathon is being organized online from 1st to 3rd February 2021 by Ministry of Education, Government of India, Military of this country on 1st February 2021 declared a state of emergency in the country for 1 year hours after detaining civilian leaders including State Councillor Aung San Suu Kyi and President U Win Mint is Myanmar. By April 2021, this company will launch 4 private individuals on a Crew Dragon capsule into orbit around the Earth, dubbed as the world's first all-civilian mission called Inspiration 4, SpaceX. According to the latest Bloomberg Innovation Index 2021, the most innovative nation is South Korea, India 50th position. This institution, in partnership with several other agencies, launched a global program on countering terrorist threats against vulnerable targets to help UN member states deal with terrorism is United Nations Office of Counter-Terrorism, UNOCT. This company has sent world's first consignment of carbon-neutral oil from the US is Reliance Industry Limited. Host of Indian Ocean Region Defence Minister Conclave, which was held on 4th February 2021 under the theme of Enhanced Peace, Security and Cooperation in the Indian Ocean is India at Bangalore. This country government added the Proud Boys, an extremist group with ties to white nationalism, to its list of terrorist organizations in Canada. Initiative by the International News Media Association INMA for members and the news industry with aimed at sharing insight and best practices on creating value with data analytics for media companies is Smart Data Initiative. India's rank in the 2020 Democracy Index Global Ranking released by the Economist Intelligence Unit is 53rd. Norway topped the list. The UN Office for Outer Space Affairs UNOOSA and the Dash signed an agreement that will help nations ensure that outer space remains safe and sustainable for future generations. United Kingdom Space Agency UKSA. Next is national updates. The maternal mortality rate has declined from 130 per lakh in 2014 to Dash in 2020 is 113. The under 5 child mortality rate has reduced to 36 for the first time, which is less than the world average rate of 39. This state was ranked topmost among 18 states for the second time in a row in a survey titled India Justice Report is Maharashtra, followed by Tamil Nadu, Telangana. Adi Mahotsav, a national tribal festival, is being organized by Dash from 1 to 15 February 2021 is Tribal Cooperative Marketing Development Federation of India, TRIFED, Ministry of Tribal Affairs. First municipal corporation in the country that organized a heritage walk for the iconic heritage building is Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation BMC. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 31st January 2021 announced a unique initiative for young writers in India to write about India's freedom fight and freedom fighters. The initiative has been launched under India 75. From 31st January to 4th February 2021, the 8th edition of India International Silk Fair was organized virtually by Indian Silk Export Promotion Council, Ministry of Textiles. New proposed scheme by the government to enable the textile industry to become globally competitive, attract large investment, boost employment generation and exports is Mega Investment Textile Parks MITRA Mitra. First of its kind program where wetland conservation is integrated with basin management plan to develop health card and management of 10 wetlands in each of the 50 plus Ganga district is Namami Gange. The Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change will establish a Center for Wetland Conservation and Management CWCM as a part of the National Center for Sustainable Coastal Management NCSCM Chennai. The agreement was signed between the Dash and 21 state and union territory governments to establish Ekalavya Model Residential School is National Education Society for Tribal Students NESDS, also called as NEST. NHAI contractor who has created a world record for the laying of pavement quality concrete PQC for a 4-lane highway of 2,580 meters length within 24 hours is Patel Infrastructure Limited. The work has started for the redevelopment of Dash, starting from north and south block to India Gate that includes the Rajpath, its adjoining lawns and canals, rows of trees, Vijay Chowk and the India Gate Plaza is a 3-kilometer long stretch is Central Vista Avenue, New Delhi. As a part of Prime Minister Street Vendor Atmanirbhar Nidhi PM Swanidhi scheme, Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs signed a MOU with Dash online platform for ordering and delivery of food to onboard street food vendors on its food tech platform is Zomato. A campaign launched by the Government of India on 15th October 2020 for intellectual property right literacy and creating patent awareness in higher education institution is Kalam Program for Intellectual Property Literacy and Awareness Campaign KAPILA Kapila. This PSU and Mishra Dhatu Nigam Limited MIDHANI, also called as Midani, have signed a MOU for development and production of composite raw material is Hindustan Aeronautics Limited HAL. The Ministry of Education has decided to name residential school hostel founded under Samagra Shiksha of Ministry as Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Residential Schools or Hostels. This PSU has signed a MOU with Council of Scientific and Industrial Research CSIR, National Aerospace Laboratories NAL for joint development in the areas of advanced composites and autoclaves, mini unmanned aerial vehicles, design and analysis of aircraft structure and system is BEML Limited. In a bid to create wider awareness about the importance of skill development amongst the youth of the country at an early age, Small Industry Development Bank of India (SIDBI) has joined hands with National Skill Development Corporation to launch Junior Skills, first of its kind skill championship. The government will set up a rupees 20,000 crore with a view to mobilize rupees 111 lakh crore required for funding of the ambitious National Infrastructure Pipeline is Development Finance Institution DFI. Next is Pasani News Updates. Nobel Prize winning chemist who discovered in 1970 that nitrogen pollution was capable of destroying ozone in the atmosphere died on 29 January 2021 at 87 is Paul Crutzen. Author of the novel titled Animal in That Country is Laura Jean Mackay. Indian-American scientist who has been appointed as the acting chief of staff of the US Space Agency National Aeronautics and Space Administration NASA is Bhavya Lal. New chairman of the National Safety Council under the Ministry of Labour and Employment for a period of 3 years is S.N. Subramanian, CEO and MD of L&T Limited. Winner of Sugandha Bharati Award 2021 given by the Indian Society for Spices. Winner of Sugandha Bharati Award 2021 given by the Indian Society for Spices ISS at the Indian Institute of Spices Research IISR is P.N. Ravindran. Winner of Sugandha Shri Award 2020 given by the Indian Society for Spices ISS is T. Joseph. Author of the book titled Tragedy in Kashmir is written by late Abdul Haq Suharwardi from Pakistan, the first and the only Kashmiri former Chief Secretary of Azad Jammu and Kashmir since partition. Indian visitor who has been honored with the Ordre National du Mérite, which is one of the highest distinctions granted by the government of France, is written by Rohini Indian physicist who has been honored with the Ordre National du Mérite, which is one of the highest distinctions granted by the government of France, is for Rohini Godbole, IISc Bengaluru. Next is state current affairs. On 29 January 2021, an agreement was signed between Dash and UT of Ladakh to accelerate its development through science and technology interventions in the areas such as bioresource utilization, East Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. The state government on 31st January 2021 launched a new phase of Ayushman Bharat Mahatma Gandhi Health Insurance Scheme, under which 1 crore 10 lakh families of the state will get the benefit of health insurance is Rajasthan. The Uttarakhand government signed a MOU with the Dash for the development work to be carried out at the Kedarnath Shrine in the state is National Thermal Power Corporation NTPC. Recipient of the prestigious Bruhan Maharashtra Sahitya Award 2021 by the Maharashtra Government for translation of Marathi book Saudi Tale Divas, written by Rupali Mauzo Aditi Barve. The state government announced the Karmavir Yodha medal for all the policemen and homeguard personnel who worked hard during the fight against the coronavirus pandemic is Madhya Pradesh. The state government has decided to implement a scheme called Fund Security for Women is Telangana. Kerala First Human Milk Bank HMB opened at the Ernakulam General Hospital Kochi. First state or union territory in the country which became COVID-19 free with active cases falling to zero in the island is Andaman and Nicobar Island. The state government has decided to provide financial assistance to startup for registration of intellectual property rights and quality testing certificate is Maharashtra. Maharashtra's first naval museum will be set up in Kalyan along the Kalyan Creek near Durgati Fort. The state government is planning to set up a special police station in every district, especially to resolve the grievances of farmers is Andhra Pradesh. The Maharashtra Government Tourism Department announced 20 mini festivals across the 6 regions of the state, that is Dash in the month of February and March 2021 is Konkan, Pune, Nashik, Aurangabad, Amravati and Nagpur. The state government will set up village hearts and rural market as an initiative dedicated to the farmers' welfare and growth is Uttar Pradesh. First heliport in Assam is in Majuli district. Indian Institute of Skill IIS is being set up by the Labour and Employment Department of Gujarat along with Tata Group at Nasmed village of Gandhinagar. New Chairman and Managing Director of Mahavitaran or Mahadiscom or MSEDCL is Maharashtra State Electricity Distribution Company Limited is Vijay Singhal. Next is Science and Technology updates. Maker of Ravan X drone, the world's biggest drone which is now capable of sending low Earth orbit satellites into space is Avam Incorporation United States. Developer of the 3 indigenous innovative variants compact, medium heavy category of mob control vehicle MCVs for Central Reserve Police Force CRPF CSIR, Central Mechanical Engineering Research Institute CMERI Durgapur. Indigenously developed first Earth observation satellite which will be launched on 20th February 2021 from the launch base in Sriharikota, India, Amazonia 1. World's first ever commercial space launch vehicle that powered entirely by biofuel, which is manufactured by aerospace company Blue Shift, Mine, United States, Stardust 1.4. Fourth country after the US, UK and Germany, which have its own national standard for qualitative and quantitative method of determining breakthrough and permeation of nuclear, biological and chemical NBC permeable protective clothing is India, developed by Defence Research Development Establishment DRDA Gwalior. Next is sports news. Veteran Bengal pacer who on 2nd February 2021 announced his retirement from all formats of cricket is Veteran Bengal pacer who on 2nd February 2021 announced his retirement from all formats of cricket is Ashok Dinda. Re-elected President of the Boxing Federation of India BFI is Ajay Singh. Next is general knowledge updates. Constitutional provision that deals with effect of failure to comply with or to give effect to directions given by the Union is Article 365. Constitutional provision that deals with power of Parliament to amend the Constitution and procedure therefore is Article 368. Constitution provision that deals with temporary power to Parliament to make laws with respect to certain matters in the state list as if they were matters in the concurrent list is Article 369. Constitution provision that deals with special provision with respect to the state is Article 371. Constitution provision that deals with continuance in force of existing laws and their adoption is Article 372. Constitution provision that deals with power of the President to adopt laws is Article 372A. Constitution provision that deals with power of President to make order in respect of person under prevention detention in certain cases is Article 373. Constitution provision that deals with provisions as to judges of the federal court and proceeding law pending in the federal court or before his majesty in council is Article 374. Constitution provision that deals with courts, authorities and officers to continue to function subject to the provision of the Constitution Article 375. Constitution provision that deals with provisions as to Controller and Auditor General of India is Article 377. The first Union Budget of Independent India was presented by the first Finance Minister of Independent India, Sir R.K. Shanmugam Chetty on 26 November 1947. The Union Budget of India, also referred to as the Annual Financial Statement in the dash of the Constitution of India, is the Annual Budget of the Republic of India is Article 112. Association of Southeast Asian Nation ASEAN, founded on 8 August 1967, headquarters is in South Jakarta, Indonesia. Myanmar capital Naypyidaw, official language Burmese, currency Burmese kyat. Central Reserve Police Force CRPF, founded on 27 July 1939 as Crown Representatives Police, present name is 20th December 1949. Date of the adoption of the Convention on Wetlands in the Iranian city of Ramsar is 2nd February 1971, effective from 21st December 1975. Securities and Exchange Board of India is founded on 12th April 1988, acquired statutory status on 30th January 1992, headquarters is in Mumbai, Maharashtra. BSE, formerly Bombay Stock Exchange, founded on 9 July 1875, founder Premchand Roychand, headquarters is in Mumbai. Indian Space Research Organization ISRO, founded on 15th August 1969, founder Vikram Sarabhai, headquarters is in Bangalore. Indian Home Guard was recognized in India in 1966. World Health Organization WHO, founded on 7th April 1948, founder Brock Chisholm, headquarters is in Geneva, Switzerland. The United Nations Office of Counter-Terrorism UNOCT was established on 15 June 2017. The National Education Society for Tribal Students NESTS was established in April 2019. United Nations Alliance of Civilization UNAOC, founded on 2005, headquarters is in New York City, USA. United Nations Education, Scientific and Cultural Organization UNESCO, founded on 16 November 1945, headquarters is in Paris, France. India is geographically central to the Indian Ocean and has a vast coastline of 7,500 kilometers. India's Sagar, Security and Growth for All. The Guinness Book of Record was co-founded by twin brothers Maurice and Ross McVitie in Fleet Street, London in August 1954. India Book of Record was started in 2004 by Vishwarup Roy Chaudhary. The Indian Society for Spices was founded in 1991. Indian Institute of Spices Research IISR, established on 1975, location Kozhikode, Kerala. International News Media Association INMA, founded on 1930, headquarters is in Texas, United States. United Nations Committee on the Peaceful Uses of Outer Space COPUOS, established in 1958, member 95. UN Office for Outer Space Affairs UNOOSA, founded on 13 December 1958, headquarters Vienna, Austria. Council of Scientific and Industrial Research CSIR, founded on 26 September 1942, headquarters is in New Delhi. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited HAL, founded on 1940, headquarters is in Bengaluru. Small Industry Development Bank of India SIDBI, founded on 2nd April 1990, headquarters is in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. National Skill Development Corporation NSDC, founded in 2008, headquarters is in New Delhi. Constitution provision that deals with provisions as to Public Service Commission, Article 378. Constitution provision that deals with power of the President to remove difficulties, Article 392. So that's all, friend. Hope this video is helpful. These are the updates for today. Let's meet next week with more GK and current affairs update. Myself Tapasya. Thanks for watching. Until next time, good luck and goodbye.